Hello my friends, this is my Brother laser printer. It quit printing because it's low on toner, and when I priced the toner cartridges, the cheapest is around $100. So instead of doing that, what I am going to do is I found online toner powder, and I am going to fill that cartridge with new toner and save close to $100. Here is the cartridge. This is the assembly that delivers the paper through, and this is what we're going to refill. Here I moved to my garage because this can get a little sloppy. And with the toner packet came some gloves. I don't know how good they are, but this can get a little sloppy. Now with these cartridges, you have to locate the fill cap, and on this one it's this little plastic piece right here. Some of them will have a plug about the size of a quarter. You have to pull that out. So this one turns, and right there it's removed. Remove this. These jars came or will come with a nozzle. This cartridge that I'm refilling, this is the one that came with the printer. Those type of cartridges that come with the printer aren't completely full of the toner, but they get you started. Now I've used that original one for about 5 years, so I don't do a lot of printing. Every once in a while I'll print a manual up, and that'll take a lot of pages. Oh, you can see how messy that can get. So yeah, you want to have either something down or do it outside, or like I'm in my garage. I think I cut most of it in. Okay, now we reinsert the plug. Turn it to lock it in right there. Now before we take this in the house, we want to clean this best we can. You want to make sure that nothing is on this roller. If there's anything sticking on it, it will create a spot on the pages that you print. Once this is filled, we want to shake it back and forth, and now it's ready to reinsert. We take the carrier and the cartridge, reinsert the cartridge right there, that locked in. Now, according to the instructions, you slide this back and forth, reinsert it, and it's ready to operate. Turn it back on, and it's good to go. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.